Hi designers, welcome back. Want to create stunning, realistic billboard mockups in Photoshop? You're in the right place. Let's get started with this mockup tutorial. Before starting the video, make sure to like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Let's jump in Photoshop. We're using this billboard image for the mockup tutorial. The image link is in the description. First, let's create a placeholder for mockup. Select the rectangle tool or use shortcut key, press U, and click on Canvas and open dialog box. And I'm using 1920 by 1080 pixels and hit OK and change the fill color what you want. And I am using blue. Now right-click on Rectangle Layer and choose Convert to Smart Object, and double-click on it and rename it Placeholder, and reduce the opacity of Placeholder Layer. Now use Short key for free transform, press Ctrl+T, and adjust the placeholder according to the billboard. Now go to Edit and select Perspective Warp. And make perspective warp points for billboard. And adjust according to billboard following the steps.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That's it. Now keep selecting the placeholder layer and increase the opacity. And our placeholder look like billboard. Now click on Blend option and select Multiply. And our placeholder is ready to place our design. So double-click on Placeholder layer and drag the design and adjust it. And go to File and choose Save or use Short key Ctrl+S. Wow, looking good. Now we're going to make mockup more realistic. It's time working on highlights and shadows. Keep select Placeholder layer, press and hold Ctrl key and click on Placeholder layer thumbnail for make selection. And now select Background layer and use Short key Ctrl+J, 2 times for create selection layers. Select both layers and bring it above the placeholder layer and name it Highlights and Shadow. Select Shadow layer and hide the Highlights layer. And go to Blend Mode and select Linear Burn. Go to Image tab and then Adjustments, and select Curves, or use Short Key Control plus M, and adjust it following the step. And now set shadow layer fill or opacity. Now select highlights layer and unhide it. Change the blend mode normal to linear dodge. Now go to Image tab and then Adjustments, and select Curves, or use Short Key Control plus M and adjust it following the step. And now set highlights layer fill or opacity. And that's how you can create a realistic billboard mockup in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next video.